Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be going over INND, FOMO Corp, and ILS updates. To begin with, INND post 2020 annual financial and disclosure to OTC markets today, that is on June 16. One more disclosure and one attorney letter, then OTC market will have everything it will need to turn INND pink current. The last filing is coming soon, they say. So here, these were the items to be uploaded, and they have done almost all of it except for one attorney letter and one financial report, and then hopefully they'll be pink current. Coming to ILS International, they announced their strategy for the US market. As we know, the company has already completed 3 acquisitions in 2021 and has also reached significant progress milestones during the second quarter. Now, with key members of the ILS leadership team currently traveling throughout the USA, visiting various strategic locations and acquisition opportunities, the company has agreed to confirm its rollout plan for its most important market. In terms of illustrating the US market potential for ILS, one of its acquisitions, Firebug, was on a run rate of $5 million per year in revenue in the UK alone prior to being acquired by ILS. ILS expects further exponential growth in the US market with the upcoming US launch of its E-Raptor electric utility vehicle. Plus, ILS is in the midst of plans to acquire a US factory from which it will manufacture its products for the US market. The company is currently considering 3 locations for a manufacturing facility. In addition to the US manufacturing facility, ILS is expecting to open 2 distribution centers, which will be located on East and West Coast. The team has looked at and is considering potential facilities for this. Coming to FOMO Corp. FOMO Corp is rebranding its wholly owned subsidiary Perch Virus as IAQ Technologies to reflect its focus on indoor air quality and better define the business mission to provide IAQ to business, industry, and government. And according to another article, FOMO Corp's Energy Intelligence Center signs contract for factory lighting and installation. So, FOMO Corp on June 15th announced that they signed a turnkey LED lighting contract to provide equipment and installation services valued at 260,000 for a 180,000 square foot manufacturing facility located in the Luzerne County, PA area. Discussions are currently underway with the owner of this project to provide additional energy management and lighting equipment and installation services at 4 other manufacturing facility locations. In other related company news, EIC has received a purchase order for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning energy optimization at 4 beverage distribution centers for a major US brewery. The energy optimization services for the initial 4 distributors are valued at 35,000 US dollars. The HVAC energy optimization performance and cost saving for the demonstrated performance of the 4 distributed locations will serve as a basis for possible EIC energy optimization services at other distributor locations nationwide. So, all in all, this is good news, and hopefully, the stocks will see some momentum in the coming days. Stay tuned for more such updates.